So starting July 1 in 2025, Florida had passed what's called the Boater Freedom Act. Governor DeSantis signed the law, and well, I guess you could say it provides freedom for boaters. Long term though, I think it makes all of us less safe, and here's why. One of the main components of the bill, or the act, the law, if you will, is that now SWC, Fish and Wildlife, and law enforcement can't do random safety checks on the boats. Now, there is a provision in the law that DMV and some of the other agencies start a sort of like a sticker program to show that people have the safety equipment installed correctly, and they can probably, I would imagine that years from now, the debate will be whether or not they can approach boats when their stickers are not correct. It would make sense, that's what the sticker's for. But the point is now boaters can have another reason to feel safe on our waterways without law enforcement coming down on them. The problem that I have is that safety check is one of the reasons why I think a lot of boaters don't drink and operate vessels, and that keeps people safe. Drunken boat accidents and crashes are awful. They throw bodies everywhere, and emergency services are not readily available like they are on highways and streets. It's a very bad place to be very badly hurt. For those reasons, I think we're probably worse off with this law intact, but for now, you're not going to see a lot of those safety checks like you usually do on our waterways. But down the road, I suspect there may be a wash once the sticker program goes into effect, which is just a very odd way of legislating this. But in the meantime, be very careful on our waterways. Be very careful on our roads. We can obviously help you no matter if you're hurt or if you have a family member killed in any of those types of situations. But we've handled cases with jet skis and wave runners and boats, people hurt and killed, terrible outcomes. And so we have the experience to handle these cases, but they're really awful cases. Please be safe on the waterways this summer, and moving forward, if you're fishing or whatever you're doing, please take the time to make sure that whoever's operating the vessel is safe to do so. Have a good one. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.